Alright guys, scrambled eggs, melted butter, garlic, and some cumin seeds in a frying pan. Once that butter is melted, go ahead and add your eggs that have a little bit of milk in it. If you're not crazy about dairy, you can go ahead and put just a little bit of water in it, like a teaspoon of water, just to kind of give it some froth. And then all you're going to do is just scramble up your eggs. You know, wait for it to set. I usually just like to move it around and get that going. And I'm doing it like on a medium heat, so I'm not doing it too fast. I'm controlling it. I like using a non-stick pan. Okay, if you like vegetables, you can also saute up some peppers in here, some onions. But I'm actually going to put a little bit of oregano just to kind of stay with my herbs this morning. All right, get that scrambled up. And actually at this point, I just turn off my stove just to have a little bit more control of my heat and let the pan do the rest. And see, scrambled eggs with some spices, all done. Talk to you guys later.